I'm gonna saving it like evidence.
And upload to my channel.
No, it's mine. To prove my classmate.
What? To prove my classmate what?
Use.
What?
Can you please shut up, bro? Touch to
Unless you need level up.
click type.
Now we're gonna defeat the Ender Dragon. For real. Do you have gear for me?
Yes.
Where?
If you're gonna join me. Later
Where?
on.
Are these enchanted things my gear?
Yes.
Then why are you using it? The sparrowing?
The what? This?
My gear?
This is my gear.
Then where's mine?
You're gonna enchant your own later.
No.
What? You enchant your own. It's not my fault. Oh shoot. You can enchant it with your own hands. I'm gonna help. I'm helping you.